welcome to another episode of Roc'sTV. And I'd like to tell you guys the ingredients. So this is a bolt and a grape is green, a cap and a sponge, and then this is food coloring in the water bottle, oil, honey. So we're doing a science experiment. So we're going to pour honey first, water, then oil, then all of these stuff. Dad. That's so satisfying. It was like making a hole when you were pouring the oil in there.
That is extremely satisfying.
Like you describe if you have Mario pajamas, because I'm wearing some. Put in. Where's it? Where's that?
There you go.
It's in the honey. I made another drop. This is here, this is here. Floats.
Okay, the cap is floating.
Kind of.
Yeah, okay. Last thing, sponge.
Floats.
But the sponge is slowly sinking a little bit.
It's like taking it away.
Yeah.
Even the cap. Wait, even the cap. Wait, Dad, this is so. Dad, you should have saw that. You should have saw that, Dad.
What?
Dad, look. It's like making an A right there on the bencher or whatever it's called.
It is.
Yeah, it's like an A. Oh, it's a bubble on the grape.
Yeah, if you look at the grape,
it's a bubble.
there's a bubble on it.
Dad, wait, the thing is kind of sink. Wait.
Maybe we should try this water cap and see if that one floats as well.
It sinks.
It sinks in just a little bit, huh? Oh, is it going down?
Wait, it's still in the oil.
Is there anything else we should try?
Yeah.
What about like a crayon?
Oh, a crayon. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Look at the water bottle cap. The red cap is still floating. The sponge is still floating.
Wait, it's like the blue's like blocking it from going to the blue.
That's right. Let's see.
And that's just like blocking the thing for it to don't go in there.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, guys, so I got a broken crayon that was 5. So we're gonna put it in there. Wait, it's in blue kind of. Dad, slowly looks at the crayon. No, slowly look at the crayon. Dad, it's like in the blue. That's kind of in the blue and the oil, Dad. It's an oil and the water at the same time, Dad, look.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
It's kind of floating on top of the blue.
Yeah.
Rather than, because if you look at the bottle cap floats on top, like on the oil, on top of the blue, but
Yeah.
the crayon is floating in the blue.
Dad, that's so funny, like it was just sinking, now just up.
Yeah.
That's very fun. Wait, should we try something else too?
I don't know, what are you thinking?
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Okay guys, so you might have missed it on the quarter. My dad wasn't recording. The quarter was on top of the bench or whatever it's called. And the marshmallow is in the oil. I mean the olive oil, whatever it's called. Now I drop it. And we got oil. It's not broken. Don't worry. It's kind of broken, but it's not that broken. 3, 2, 1. Floats. Wait, it's kind of sinking now.
I'm so shocked that that floats.
Yeah. How does that float? It sinks. That sinks now. I'm sure. Dad.
What?
You just saw this right here. You know why?
Why?
It was like moving by itself. Yeah, it was like moving by itself. I'm not lying, Dad. It was like moving by itself. So, like and subscribe for again, and bye.